some cocktail. Broad bean. Come on. Spice up it now. We have some Maggi chicken. Alright. Have some Maggi all purpose. Alright. See that now? We have the onion and some garlic. You can see it? Alright. We have some scallion. We have some pepper and Irish. We have some ginger. Also we have some carrot. I put some browning on it now. Come here. Put browning on it now. We're going to throw it like this. Put more browning on it, right? I got some brown stew cocktail and broad beans. See broad bean, yeah? But I put the cocktail on the fridge now till tomorrow go and spice up, right? So we're not put cocktail set time now.
Alright, it's a roll.
Alright, peeps, you cooking here, and lumberjack again or something man. Alright. Watch what I want now, peeps. Have some cocktail. Have some cocktail. I got some broad bean. Some lettuce, and some fried platinum. I got some lemon juice. That's why it's bugle lime, you know? Coconut milk juice out already and strain out. We throw it at the peas. Alright. Put that one side. See spice now, so. I'm gonna spice now, man.
I'll get your face to you now. Hmm?
Put in the kitchen. Yeah, people, the kitchen there. I was in the kitchen this week, you know. It's so running, man, and everything. We don't know. I take it outside. A lumberjack represents 7 tire rice, not believing I fall into him. I eat man up top. Alright, my peeps, watch what I go on now. Stir it up, you know. Yeah. It's pretty and nice and look good. And the cook it. Yeah, man, it's a steam down and down, man. Alright, now put in the pressure now, you know. Put in the pressure now. Throw in the broad bean. Add a little more water to it. Yeah, alright. Stir it up. Put in the pressure now. Alright. Yeah, my peeps, yeah. Pressure cocktail around rough in the pressure cooker, yeah. Alright, keep on pressure down, man. Smell nice, delicious. Hey, peeps, look what I got on. Now the rice and peas pot. Whoa, rice and peas shell down. Look what I go on the coattail pot now. Boy. Coattail ready. So I go on, broad bean them alright dinner ready now. Alright, we'll go inside now. We'll share the food. Okay? Alright. Alright, my peeps, dinner time, you know? Yeah. I'll fix up the coattail, you know? Fry plot and lettuce. Thanks, I got some lemon here. No dinner ready, juice and nice. Delicious. Lumberjack represent 7 time rise, no believe in that falling thing. Up top setting, dinner time.